Okay, come on down. Christmas morning. Katie's coming down to see if Santa came.
He came? She was a good girl. I bet he came.
Present.
Oh boy, which one should you open first?
Big one.
The big one?
Yeah.
Well, why don't you open the little ones that are on top of that so you can get to the big ones?
Present.
Hey, Katie, look at the camera. Did Santa come? Were you a good girl this year?
Yes.
Oh.
And new books.
New book.
New books. Oh boy.
Books.
It's not fair and the thank you bear.
Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas, Mommy. I love you.
Love you too.
A Cinderella book.
Cinderella? Oh boy, aren't you lucky?
'Cause it's my mama.
Llama, llama, alright.
Open this one now.